Hello, my name is Kolneet and I'll be running my demo today. Starting off with the linear classifier for the breast cancer data set. And as you can see here, these are the experiments over time with all their errors. So the best error is about 1.79%, which is pretty good. The next thing I'm going to be showing is your basically the weight updates in the activation function. So as you can see, this is the activation function here. And then you take the softmax, and then this is your update of your weights. And the next one we are going to be considering is the linear regressor for the abalone dataset, which is basically, now we're going to be showing you the output here, which is all the errors and the mean squared errors for this dataset. As you can see, it's fairly low, so this is a pretty good dataset as well. And we'll show you here, basically this is your gradient descent, and then your updated weights are here. So this shows you the outputs and the weights along with the activation function as well. So the next set that we are going to be looking at is the feed forward classifier, and this is for the breast cancer data set. And you can see here we do some tuning. And then once we do the tuning, we figure out, what the best one is there. And then, then we take the best one and then we do the back propagation algorithm on it. And basically, this shows you the average errors we got for that one. And then with the activation function, you can see here that it takes the softmax, much like before. And then the last and final one that is pretty interesting is the autoencoder classifier. And this is also with the breast cancer dataset. And then basically this shows you the tuning and the errors over time. And then this is the model being trained against the prune dataset. So as you can see, it has good generalization. For the demo here, we're going to be showing you essentially the different weight updates for the different layers. As you can see, you have layer 1, which is your autoencoder layer, and layer 2 is the activation layer. And then you have the softmax of your output. And the final thing I'm going to be showing is the output of the autoencoder demo. And this basically shows you the original values of X, and then the reconstructed values of X here. And as you can see, they're fairly close. And you can see that it's getting improved. Essentially, between this fold and this fold, you see it getting improved. And this is your different weight changes over time. And that'll be all for my demonstration of Project 3.